In this video, I'm going to explain you the project touch sensor with dry hands and wet hands. For this, we require the touch module and let's use the LED module for output. Let's connect the first pin of touch module or touch sensor to the power supply of battery, positive power supply of battery. From the second pin, we'll take the signal and we'll give it to LED positive. To close the circuit, let's connect the LED negative, that is fourth pin, to negative of battery. So now we are doing this experiment by using wet hand and dry hand. So now my left finger is a bit dry. So even if I touch, the output is very low. Now my right finger is a bit wet. So if I touch, the output is high. You have to touch at the back side of the sensor to make sure that sensor is working properly. This is where the touch sensor will detect the touch.